Hello guys, another video on how to get your visitor's visa for the UK Army assessment. Now today I'm going to read another refusal letter, and we are using the refusal letters that I'm getting to help us to avoid refusal when the invitation letters are being submitted, are being sent to us. If today is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Please do want to subscribe, like this video, and share. If you need cover letters, if you need someone to also help you with your visa application, help you gather your documents, help you with the letter of explanations, everything that you want me to do for you, you can check the short link to this YouTube account, okay, and then make sure you book the services from there. I encourage you to also join my community, to join my membership community, okay. So if you go to YouTube and then you see the shop there, that is iTech shop, make sure you tap on it and then go to the website and join my community. Get subscribed for either a month or a year, and you will never regret because I am going to give you all the information there. Now, this is a refusal letter. Now, this is a mistake that you need to avoid when you are filling your online application form. Let me repeat this. When filling your online application form, the information that you are going to feed should tally with the document that you will be presenting. I'm going to read a refusal letter to you for you to know how these mistakes can affect you or can lead to a refusal. Okay, so make sure you avoid errors when filling your visa online form. Now, this is a refusal letter, and this is the reason why they refused this person. You also stated that you are employed as dash earning, let's say, 10,000 Ghana city a month. Okay, I acknowledge your personal bank statement. However, I have been unable to identify your monthly income of 10,000. As I have been unable to identify your monthly income, I am not satisfied you are employed with this company in this position or that you are receiving the income you stated. Now, this person stated that he earns 10,000 Ghana cedi a month. Now, when he was filling the form, this is what he stated. But when presenting the form, this guy didn't present a pay slip from his or her company that shows he is earning 10,000 Ghana cedi a month. Okay, but when he was filling the form, he stated that my monthly income is 10,000 Ghana cedi. But
Unlock your dream career with Say Ike Consult. Tired of resume that go unnoticed? Struggling to craft a CV that truly stands out? At Say Ike Consult, we transform your career story into a high-impact CV tailored to international standards for Canada, the UK, USA, and Europe. Our services include CV writing, CV review, sponsorship job applications. Don't let your resume hold you back. Increase your chances of landing that interview today. Call or WhatsApp us at 0200 or book us on our online shop. Link in the description. Say Ike Consult, your career reimagined.
when he was submitting his supporting document, nothing shows that he received this amount. Okay, so when you are filling the form and it gets you your monthly income, if you earn 10,000 Ghana cedi, if you earn 2,000 Ghana cedi, and you have document to prove it, just put it there and make sure you send the document that shows that you earn this amount of money. Shows pay slip to show that yes, this is what you earn at the end of the month. And also, if they ask, do you have any job that gives you money aside your main job? If you have any side hustle job that you do, that maybe you transfer the money to the bank account that you are going to use for the application, then you need to state that yes, then you explain the type of job that you do and then the amount of money that you earn from that job too. So make sure when you are filling the form, you fill it very well. You'll be very vigilant when filling the form, and make sure any information that you are going to present on the form tallies with the document that you'll be sending when you are going for the appointment. Thank you for watching this video. Leave your comments if you have anything.